Morning everybody. Okay, so Monday's maths lesson today is addition and subtraction using a range of strategies. So to begin with, you've got the 7 arithmetic questions. So just like last week, give yourself about 4 minutes to answer as many as you can. Use a piece of paper to put any jottings down, any working out, any question that you think, I just don't know about that yet. Put a little cross by it and we'll be able to look at it in a bit more detail or email in to ask for some support on how to answer that question. As you move on to the Let's Explore, you can see that you've got a number of planets that you need to choose from. So choose a planet, and the aim of that is to total the weight of that planet up. So you've got to have a think about, first of all, which planet do you think has the easiest numbers in? So you might decide that number looks relatively easy, the digits I can add up, so maybe they don't cross the boundary of 10, and all of the ones column only total 9. So choose carefully, make a decision, go through the numbers and decide which ones you think will be easier to add. And then have a think about how will you add them. You've got more than one number to add. Do you find it just as easy to add all of them up and find your total? Do you find it easier to add them in pairs? So just have 2 addends, which is 2 numbers, find the total, and then add another number to that total. So try different strategies. The first strategy might be, I'm going to add all of the numbers up. The second strategy might be, actually this time I'm going to add them in pairs and have no more than 2 addends each time. Okay, have a go at the Let's Explore. Once you've had a go at the Let's Explore, you'll have decided what strategy you prefer when adding more than one number. And then as you move on to the independent task, there's a range of similar questions adding more than one number. Then it moves on to a bit of subtraction included. So thinking about, I've got 2 numbers, I've added them together, now I've got a number to subtract. And deciding, do you do that subtraction halfway through? Do you need to add 2 numbers, do a subtraction and then add again? Or do you find it easier adding everything up and then subtracting from the total? And then just before the finish, you've then got questions where you've got the total. So you have one number, so one addend maybe, one total. How do you work out that missing number? And it's making a decision. Am I adding? Do I count on? So for example, 2 add something gives me a total of 5. Am I going to do 2, count on until I get to 5? Or am I going to start with 5 and am I going to subtract 2 to find out that missing unknown? Okay, good luck.